Okay, so let's get this out for you. As I said, if it gets uncomfortable or any reason what we stop, say the word. Oh yeah. You can feel it coming out, can you?
Yeah.
Wow, it's a big piece.
Oh wow.
It's just got some wax on the top of the ear canal. It's going to tilt your head just that way. Yeah, then you get access to the top part. This is wet. It will naturally come out, but it's just have to back in a bit. Yeah, happy with that. On a great ear canal. So let's take a video for you. Yeah, that's great. Let's see if I can get some of the side canal wall without making contact. I've made you cough, is it? No, that's fine. It's called the gag reflex. There's loads of nerves in your ear canal. Probably just stimulated one of those by going close to that side canal wall. We'll just leave that. It's it's non-occluding. It's not going to cause you any symptoms. We can see your eardrum, and that's all we're interested in, really. There is some right in the entrance, which I can back in without any stimulation of nerves. How are you feeling?
Yeah.
Nice and easy.
I can hear. Yeah, that's
the main thing.
That's a good change.